Hey everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, it's John. I'm on my news desk here and prop trading desk. Do me a favor, give my video a like, thumbs up, a like and a share, and please subscribe to my channel. Today is Thursday, November 7th, 2024. A lot of news on geopolitical, socioeconomic, and then if you stay with me to the end, you receive a bonus, which is my trading plan. Not financial advice, I'm an entertainer only. Top stories today. Bernie Sanders crashes Kamala Harris's stubborn farewell speech. CBS News, Ventura County mountain fire explodes to 14,000 acres as dangerous high winds and I guess Santa Ana winds type thing. Axios is reporting top name for Trump's foreign policy team. Congratulations to President Trump. Wow, in the re-election, MAGA, make America great again. There's hope. ABC News, Trump takes calls from a growing list of world leaders following election victory. BBC, who will win control of the House? The outstanding races to watch. And Deutsche Welle is reporting Germany's coalition government falls apart, how it happened. So, a lot of social unrest. We got to look at, let's take a look first. Again, if you stay with me to the end, you get my trading plan. S&P futures are up fractionally. I bought the breakout this morning on SPY to a high price. Crude oil's off fractionally. The VIX is off, another 6 points at 1532. Less volatility so far. Gold is up 20 points at 26.95. News headline, stocks climb before the open with focus on Fed rate decision. So all of Wall Street has hopium. The Fed's going to lower interest rates. So there's other world economies that are lowering interest rates also. It's not good. The stock market's pumping. I'm bullish, of course, like everyone else, but you have to be concerned about watching the interest rates and the uninversion of this yield curve. So central banks lowering interest rates, the yield curve was inverted and now it's uninverted, and now they're dropping the interest rates in order to create stimulus. And I don't know. I'm optimistic, but also being a realist. Not financial advice, but just make sure you watch the interest rates. S&P minis up 20 points. The NASDAQ E-minis up 170 points. Dow futures are flat. Again, the VIX is off. The Dixie at 104, spot 235. The 10-year, 109-300, up a few ticks. Crude oil, 71.38. Nat gas, $2, spot 67. Gold's up again. Silver's up again. So now let's take a look at the stock market leaders. Nvidia's a clear leader in earnings. Tesla is up. Apple Computer, Palantir. I own stock in all of these companies in fair disclosure. Amazon, I own shares in. AppLovin, APP symbols up 44%. Never heard of them before. Qualcomm up 3%. Coinbase is off fractionally. I own shares in Coinbase. Meta Platforms is up 3%. Mr. Softy's up fractionally and actively traded. Gold market is pumping. Now let's take a look at Yahoo Finance. Now stay with me to the end. You get my trading plan. Fed is likely to cut rates as Jerome Powell seeks stability after the Trump win. Are we going to have a President Obama post inauguration price retracement in stocks? After, the populism, and then after the inauguration, then they blame the new president for the economy type thing. Every regime, government regime, they blame the people before them. So so it's just stocks tick higher with Trump and Fed in focus. DJT stock sinks, wiping out election fuel gains. So that's, buy the rumor, sell the news. Harris gained trust over the economy, but voters cared less. An antitrust sea change under Trump. Experts aren't so sure. WBD stock surges amid streaming strength. Comcast and WBD. Infant bull market in stocks is only just getting going. So we're going to go big or go home. That's what Janet said, right? Janet Yellen. U.S. jobless claims rise as job growth stalls. Hershey trims annual forecast as higher prices dent demand. NVIDIA, NVDA, is a clear winner in the lackluster big tech earnings season. Now the latest news, this is interesting, Czech central bank, Czechoslovakia central bank cuts key interest rates to 4% as inflation stays low. So they're lowering interest rates. The ECB did the same thing recently. Germany lowered their interest rates, so did China, the US. So all the birds of a feather flock together and they're lowering interest rates, while at the same time the inversion and uninversion of yield curves. And then the stock market's pumping to new all-time highs. Goldman Sachs analyst hints at big risk to post-Trump election rally. Might be. Mexican economy chief says wants to sound out Musk on Tesla plant plans. Dutch chip maker NXP sales growing 6 to 10%. 𝐂𝐏𝐘𝐑 beats third quarter. AI darling Supermicro faces $1 billion bond bill if it delists. Stellantis news on it. So let's go over my trading plan real quick. Here's your bonus, not financial advice. I own 4 cryptos: Tezos, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. I'll continue to dollar cost average Bitcoin today. Plus I set pivot points, so I'm going to let Bitcoin come to me. Bitcoin achieved a new all-time high. I purchased the breakout. It's never too high to buy. So I'll continue to dollar cost average Bitcoin today. SPY ETF, I bought the breakout in it today at higher high prices, never too high to buy. And then the blockchain ETFs, BKCH and Block, BLOK, I will do a dollar cost average weekly that will transpire today. All right, so I got that going on Global X funds for blockchain ETF. Then on Block, BLOK, I will do a dollar cost average on Block today. I'm up nicely about 10% in Block, and that will be a daily dollar cost average. Never too high to buy. It's real close to its all-time high, or it did break out. So I purchased a breakout in Block, BLOK, the Amplify Transformational Data Sharing ETF. Entertainment only, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Informational purposes only. Foundation of my synthetic Bitcoin mining rig is two blockchain ETFs, BKCH and Block, BLOK, and then a dollar cost average Bitcoin every day. So my Bitcoin position is up about 7%, and my cost basis now is on my Momo swing account is 70,000, 9.25. So it's at trading wallets today as high as 75,200. So it's looking good there. How high can Bitcoin go? The answer is unlimited. Can it go to zero? Yeah, that's possible too. So that is my trading plan for today. DCA Bitcoin, DCA Breakout SPY ETF, and DCA weekly and daily blockchain ETFs. That's what I got. Huge week. Let's get ready for the post-election market, the lowering of interest rates, looking at the inverted yield curve, uninverting, energy market, and then the bond market. Take a look at TMF, Tough Mother Fluffer, the Direxion 20-year yield treasury. All right, interesting trade with this. I mean, it's been in a huge sell-off here recently. It's off in the last 3 months about 17%. So interest rates is the play. What's the Fed going to do? Oil market, So that's what I have. Look at energy and look at the bond market, the long bond. and then Fed speak. So that's where the real trade is. That's all I have today. Running a little longer, about 10 minutes. Stay with me to the end. Like I said, give my video, please do me a favor, give my video a like and a share, and subscribe to my channel. I want to welcome all of my viewers. My channel's getting a lot of traction on YouTube. So with that, everyone, the trend's your friend, and remember to be great.